YEPIC is the kick-ass app for tradespeople. Whether it's social media, college assessments or SAP inspections, or just to remember the good times. Whatever the reason, photos are important to tradespeople. So we built YEPIC, an app to help you manage them better and actually use them for your benefit. Let me show you how. You build a feed containing all your jobs by adding just one photo from each job. Your phone's location keeps track of all your visits and all your hours, so you'll never forget where you've been or how long you were there. And all your other work photos are automatically found and added into the right jobs, making finding and sharing work photos a breeze. Leaving you time for the real work. What could be easier? Snap it. Job done. What are you waiting for? Download YEPIC for free today.